Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick little update on what we should do in our film and video editing classes. By now, all of you guys should have Premiere downloaded on your computer. We really can't do any work if you don't do it, so you have to get something. Uh, Taking a class online sometimes is more challenging than doing it in person because I'm not there. I can't fix your computers for you. If all you have is a school computer, we'll get to that in a moment. But if you have any other computer, you should really be able to download it from Adobe's website. If it doesn't work, I told you last time, you got to get onto the computer, Google what the problem is, try to figure it out. Uh, I'm not a total wizard that knows everything about computers, but when one of my computers breaks, I do a lot of research and I figure out how to fix it. You got to get into that habit because we are in the 21st century, and each and every one of you is going to have computer problems in your life, and you're going to have to fix them. Okay, so that being said, I am here for questions, but questions need to have context. There has to be an actual question. If I get a message that just says, my computer doesn't work, I can't download it, well, that gives me no information whatsoever to help you, like zero. If you said something like, I was trying to download Adobe, and when I got it downloaded and then I tried to install, the installer opened up and then crashed. Well, maybe I could work with that. I could try to piece together something. I could give you some pointers, some advice. But just saying I can't get the program, I can't do anything with that. Uh, okay, next. If you have a specific question that's only for you, what I'm going to try to do is make new channels. So let's say somebody has a specific question about their computer. We're getting a ton of threads in our main channel, the general channel, that are pushing the assignments and the attendance and everything up, and you guys aren't going back and scrolling and reading it and doing that stuff. So I'm going to try to limit stuff in that general channel. So what I might do if you ask me a question is I'll probably delete your comment and then create a new channel with your name on it and try to answer it in there. You'll see if it's a question that I think is more relevant, like it's a question that the whole class should read, then I will leave it there. So that brings me to the next topic. Before you ask me a question, make sure you have read everything. And I'm not just meaning my post, I'm meaning all the student posts as well. Because a lot of times I'm getting the same question like 8 times, and it's very obvious that no one is reading the threads. So please go back and read the threads. That is how you learn, especially in an online class. Otherwise, like I said, if 4, 5, 6, 8 of you post the same question over and over and over, it pushes the attendance and the assignments up, and then people aren't doing them. So I really, really, really need you guys to take the initiative here and read everything, read everything, read everybody else's comments, because who knows? Lots of people have the same issues, and if you can read it from someone else, then you're not going to need to hear it from me. Okay, last comment for the day as far as this goes. So Premiere Rush, that is a mobile app made by Adobe that is like a really, really light version of Premiere that you can do on your phone. So if all you have is the Gibbs computer and it won't let you download anything because the school system is just screwed up, I guess. I don't know. It seems like a really big flaw, but whatever. Then you can use Premiere Rush. I don't know how it works. I've only played around with it for like 10 minutes because I was trying to come up with an answer for you guys. So if you go that route, you need to put in, it's more work. You're going to have to put in the extra work to figure out how it works. Okay, all of my tutorials and my lessons, they're going to be in normal Premiere. So if you go the Premiere Rush route, then you need to put in the work, watch tutorials, figure out how it works, because I don't know, and I'm not going to do it because you need to be able to get the real program. This is like the compromise I'm trying to make because I know we're in a really messed up situation, but sometimes, guys, you got to take responsibility, and this is the responsibility I'm putting on you. If you go Premiere Rush route, you got to figure it out. It's not hard. I did mess with it, like I told you, for a few minutes, and it seemed pretty self-explanatory. If there's like a major issue, or a really specific question, then you Google and try. Yeah, ask me and I'll try to help you figure it out. But I don't want to see comments like, I got Premiere Rush, and I don't know how to use this. What do I do? No, you need to watch some videos on it, figure it out. So you could go that route. It should be through any of the app stores. If you go to adobe.com, type in Premiere Rush into Google, it'll be there. I have an iPhone. It was in my app store. It's free with your Adobe subscription, which you guys all have. As far as Android goes, it says Android on their website, so I'm sure there's an Android version. You just need to figure it out, install it. So with software, and especially when you guys get out of Gibbs and you go to college, the software not working is not an excuse in your class. Like, it doesn't get you out of the work. If you don't have the materials, you know? So I'm trying to teach you guys that's how life is. Like, no one's gonna care. I care a little bit. I'm definitely gonna try to help you. But you really need to take the initiative here and get some sort of program onto your phone, computer, something, because work has started. Let me think. What else? Oh, I'm trying to mess with the class notebooks. I haven't quite figured it out yet. When I do, I'll try to start posting our assignments in there because I know, like I said, the general post thread, everything gets pushed up out of the way. But you guys have to absolutely keep signing in every day and just doing the attendance. You see, my attendance is easy, right? It's just, are you here? Click yes. That's all you got to do. Click yes. At the beginning of the weeks, we meet twice a week, right? Like, if it's we either meet like Monday, Wednesday, or Tuesday, Thursday, something like that. I'm going to post our assignments at the beginning of the week. And then the second day of the week is going to be, for the most part, it's going to be a studio day. And the studio day is where, like, you can ask me any questions about something you didn't get from the video, or you can, have time to work on whatever your assignment is that I give you that day. If something doesn't work, definitely use that time to figure it out, to message me, let me know, and I'll definitely help. But you still got to sign in on the studio days. That's really the thing. You can't just sign in once a week. Let's say you sign in on Monday and you do your assignment and you turn it in on Monday afternoon and you're like, oh, I'm done for the week. Well, yeah, you might be done with the work for the week, but in order for me to count you as being present, you still got to spend that 30 seconds on the next day, whatever it is. I guess Monday and Wednesday are the two. So on Wednesday, right? Or if you're a Tuesday person, then on Thursday, you still got to sign in that day and find the attendance sheet. It's going to be in the main post general thing. Click yes. It should take you like 30 seconds. It's really that simple. I don't make these rules about attendance. That's just what I was told to do. Overall, though, guys, I am very, very impressed that most of you seem to have gotten the software down and we're getting going. It's not ideal, but we're going to make the best out of it. Again, let me know if we have any questions, but read the threads first, right? Literally, I have people that there's a question, I answer the question, and then the next post is someone else asking the exact same question. So please read. Reading is going to be key to this whole thing. Just read. All right, guys, I hope you're doing great. I'm going to try to have some sort of update every class period. So even if it's just me giving you guys updates like this, right? Or it might be a screen recording lesson. I'm going to try to keep doing these. All right. Talk to you later.